My name is Abdullah. I'm an electrical engineer and a data analyst with the ability to handle machine learning problems. I'm also an applicant and a future researcher at Kyunghee University. And in this video, I'll be explaining how to apply on uwayapply, which is a website used in Korea for applying to many graduate and domestic programs. So here we have the Spring 2022 Spring Semester Guidelines for Graduate International Students, which is provided by Kyunghee University, where I'll be studying, inshallah, in the near future. So let's go to the section here, and here we can see that in the online application, which is the first step, the dates are given. The application process will continue from 12th of October till 22nd of October. And here are the notes. We can see that applications for admission are only accepted online, and they are online, but they are submitted through this application, this website called uwayapply. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to this website. Here you can see it's all in Korean language, but there is nothing to worry about. Let's go back to the manual and let's read about it. So first we'll make an account. Then after making an account, we'll log in and search for the university name, Kyunghee University, and then Kyunghee University General Graduate School, and then application for international students, and we'll fill that application. In case of any information, in case of any inconvenience, you can also call or visit the website on this number. This is the address and application for uwayapply, not the university website. But you can also contact the university regarding any concerns. So here are some guidelines. We'll have to fill out information correctly, like nationality, passport number, personal email address, and applied department, etc. And this cannot be modified after application. And keep this in mind that you can only apply for one campus and one department for one application. You cannot change it, and that's the deal. Moreover, here we can see that in the application form, fill out the capital letter as the passport name. So you have to put your name in capital letter in this application. All right, so let's move, and the other informations are for regarding Chinese people and some other information which doesn't concern us. We have to fill our passport number correctly. That is an important thing. So after clicking on this link, you'll be directed to this website. It's in Korean, but it's nothing to worry about. Actually, let me share this manual again. And if we scroll down, we'll find a guide which helps us in moving through that website. So yeah, here it is. You'll see that how to join the uwayapply in English. So first we go to the website, okay. Then we'll click on these writings, which can be found on the right hand side and the top section of this website. Then after, it will lead us to this new page, and we can change language in the title bar, and we change it to English, and then it converted into English. So yeah, let's do that. Go through this website. Here I'm actually logged in. Actually, let me log out of this. So yeah, this is the brand new website. Here you come, and this is what you see. So first we'll click on this as described in the manual. It directs you to this website, and here you can see in the top we can change the language to English. And here mine was automatically translated, which was done by the Google Translate extension, which you can add, and you can translate this page. It's already translated. So yeah, we'll click on the other application, since this is for transfer graduate school and international students. So this is what we'll select. And upon selecting it, it takes you to this page. You will agree to these terms and conditions and click on agree. After agreeing, you'll be directed to this next page. If you have a mobile number, you will choose this tab. This is a Korean phone, so be aware of that. And if you don't, you can also become a member using an email address. Here's how we'll do. Here we'll use the name which we intend to use in our application, and we can choose the date of birth. Let's see, for example, 19th, 95, and for month, you can see 1, and the day, let's choose 11. So in the email, you'll put in your email address. Here is my email address. Contact me for any queries if you have. And here you'll also select at gmail.com. There are other options as well, but mine is Gmail. After that, you'll confirm. And after confirmation, you'll be shown a message that yes, you have become a member, and an email is sent to your inbox, which will look like this. And you can also choose, actually, let me see it, the name. Next, it will hopefully will ask you about your username. That page I'll actually show you again, but before that, this is the email that you will get in the end. Here is the username which will decide. This is the phone number which we haven't given, but it's not a problem. Here is the email address which we have given. And you can also translate this phrase and see that, yes, this is congratulations on becoming a member. And this email, this link helps you change any information which you might want to change. So after you'll be given, you'll be taken to a page where you have to decide for an ID and a password. And actually, here's the page. Yeah, this will be the page which you'll be taken to. There you'll put your name and you'll choose an ID. And you'll choose your date of birth and gender. And phone, you cannot do anything. If you have, you can put a Korean number, but you can just use the email address and confirm. Keep in mind that this is also a page that lets you change your password in case you forget. For example, these right, you can actually translate them from Korean to English, and you'll find that one of them is like edit member information, change password, and withdrawal. These are the three tabs here. Change member information for change password and withdrawal. So this is the change member information section. If you want to change your password, you can click on this second, but it's not required. So once you register, once you click on this, you will be taken to a page which looks like this. There you'll put your name, your ID, choose a password, date of birth, and an email address, and you'll confirm. And then you'll get this email in your inbox. You can translate it, and you're congratulated that you have become a member. So it's not a big process, nothing to worry about here. Just some guidelines to be followed. So after that, let's go to the website again. uwayapply. Here you can see I'm already logged in. Actually, let me log out and show you again from the start. The thing is, if you, here, I guess this will, the lower section, you'll click on that, and this lets you join, log in if you already have an account. So here you put in your ID, your password, and then you log in. And then you are taken to this website, and you can see here that your name is visible. Yeah, so this is, so far we have discovered how to make an account.